Does your engine feel like it has a rough idle, or maybe it feels like it is shaking when you try to accelerate? If you scanned it and got the code P0281, that is telling us specifically that cylinder 7 isn't pulling its weight. The technical term is cylinder 7 contribution balance. The computer monitors the crankshaft speed every time a cylinder fires. If cylinder 7 fires and the crankshaft doesn't speed up as much as it does for the others, the computer knows that cylinder is weak. While this can be a mechanical issue, 9 times out of 10, we are looking at a fuel problem. The fuel injector for cylinder 7 might be clogged, failing, or just not getting the signal to open. First, you want to listen to it. Take a long screwdriver, put the metal tip against the body of the number 7 injector, and put your ear to the handle. You should hear a steady, rhythmic clicking sound. If it is silent, it is not working. If it is clicking but you still have the code, it might be clogged with dirt or varnish. Before you spend money on a new injector, you can try cleaning it. You can grab a direct fuel injector flush kit from an auto parts store. This involves pulling the fuel pump fuse, hooking a pressurized can of cleaner directly to the fuel rail, and running the engine off that can until it stalls. It cleans the injectors thoroughly. Also, check the electrical connector on that injector. Sometimes the pins inside get bent or corroded, breaking the circuit. If you have a voltmeter, make sure you are getting battery voltage at the red wire on the injector connector. If you have spark and compression but that cylinder is still weak, focusing on the fuel delivery for cylinder 7 is your best bet to smooth that engine out.